Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Beautiful haircut, very attractive and eye-catching hair dye. Overall ideas, latest and trendy. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about haircut. Some ideas: pixie haircut, bob haircut, haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. The latest type of cut: choppy haircut, cropped haircut, notching haircut. Very attractive hair dye. One color, different shade of blonde, lightly blonde, dark blonde, ash blonde. Very attractive ideas of black color, grey color, burgundy color, and so beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. And so beautiful ideas of hairstyles. Spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. Wavy curly hairstyle, some ideas wave and curl naturally, some ideas make curl with curler. Short, wave and curl. Messy hairstyle, beautiful collection. Fine hairstyle. All ideas, latest and trendy. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. Hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, so please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, your friends, your family members, and others. Please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. Reach your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection. ideas. Take care and bye bye.